Hello everybody, my name is Dragon 2013. Today we will be learning how to build a creeper. Now the obvious part is to take the brain. You can buy the parts at eBay and the skin is about about $15 on Amazon. But oh crap. But you can just find it. It's actually not that rare. So you just want to plop it in there. That's all you really have to do for the brain. Now for the skull is the most complex part. You see, with the skull, it is actually what protects the brain. Duh. Oh crap, it might shatter. That would have sucked if it did. But there we go. Put it deep in there. There you go. You got it in. You're ready to go. Now, you can see that is for the hunters. Now, if you really don't think about that, boom. This part is like, I don't know, like $5 Amazon. Pretty cheap. It's kind of missing something. The legs. That's gotta be it. Now, the reason why it's a little bit lopsided is because it is not armed, as you can see. If it were armed, then that'd be pretty freaking bad. Because if it were to be armed, that would mean that it would explode if anyone was in a 1 meter range. So, that's why I don't have this in. Now, I do have a trained one over there. You guys can't see it, but trust me, I do have a trained one. And he's trained, so I can just keep him in so he's not lopsided. Now, I still think something's missing. Oh yeah, it's the jaw. Now the jaw is one of the most odd shapes on the creeper. As you can see, there is a hole you can stick it in, right there. So, with the help of that hole, and right there on the skull, it attaches. If it weren't for that, then it would be way harder to assemble a creeper. And that's about it. Now, what are you saying about right here? Well, that's actually supposed to be there. Yeah, believe it or not, the cheeks are the most vulnerable point of the creeper. So, this has been Cody. Peace.